Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in Excel. Okay, very simple. Select any cells and type 1 and type 2. Now select one cell and two cells. Now move your mouse point. See this plus icon. Click the plus icon and drag in your area. Now see this automatically fill this 1 2 3 4 5 number. Okay, you apply another process, type 1 and type 3. Now dragging this and type, dragging 1 3 5 7 9 11. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.